Struggling with stubborn breakouts or a scalp that's constantly flaky? You've probably tried a million products that promise miracles but just don't deliver. Well, today I'm sharing a natural solution that actually works, and it might surprise you. We're talking all about doTERRA's tea tree essential oil. In this video, I'll break down its amazing benefits for your skin and hair, share some super easy DIY recipes, and give you the lowdown on how to use it safely. Plus, I'll tackle some of the most common questions about tea tree oil, like can it really help with hair growth? Or is it safe for sensitive skin? So if you're ready for clear, glowing skin and a healthier scalp, keep watching. Oh, and if you're new here and you love essential oils, make sure to hit that like button. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with what tea tree oil can do for your skin. Because if you're like me, the occasional breakout is so relatable. Tea tree oil is like nature's blemish fighting superhero. It's packed with antibacterial properties that help combat the stuff that causes pimples and redness without stripping your skin. Number 1, clearing acne and redness. If you've got that one stubborn pimple that shows up right before something important, trust me, I get it. Tea tree oil can help. Just mix 1 drop with a teaspoon of jojoba oil and dab it on the spot. Unlike those harsh chemical treatments, it helps reduce redness without drying out your skin. Number 2, evening out skin tone. Tea tree oil isn't just for pimples. It's also great for brightening your overall complexion. When mixed with a carrier oil and applied regularly, it can help fade the appearance of dark spots and even skin tone. A drop in your nightly moisturizer can help you wake up to smoother, more even skin, soothing minor skin irritations. Whether it's a bug bite that won't stop itching or a minor scrape, tea tree oil's purifying properties can help soothe and cleanse. A little diluted tea tree oil can be your go-to for those small, annoying skin issues that pop up. Number 4, reducing oiliness. If you've got oily skin, you know the struggle is real. Tea tree oil can help balance your skin's oil production without drying it out completely. Adding a drop to your toner can help control shine throughout the day. Number 5, fading blemishes. Another cool benefit is that tea tree oil can help fade the appearance of older blemishes or dark spots over time. Consistently using it in your nighttime routine can help brighten those stubborn marks. A quick warning, tea tree oil is so powerful, so don't go wild. Always do a patch test first to make sure your skin can handle it. Apply a bit behind your ear or your wrist, wait 24 hours and see how it reacts. Better safe than sorry, right? Okay, moving on to hair, because we all want to be that girl with effortlessly gorgeous hair, right? Tea tree oil is amazing for keeping your scalp clean and happy, which is so important for healthy hair. Number 1, scalp health. If you're dealing with an itchy or flaky scalp, tea tree oil can be a lifesaver. Its purifying properties can help clear away buildup and keep your scalp feeling fresh. Just add a few drops to your shampoo, lather up, and let it sit for a minute before rinsing. Number 2, dandruff reduction. For a deeper treatment, you can mix 5 drops of tea tree oil with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, massage it into your scalp, leave it on for about 20 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. This helps break down flakes and leaves your scalp feeling so much better. Number 3, supporting hair growth. Okay, let's talk about hair growth. While tea tree oil doesn't make your hair grow faster, it helps create a healthier environment for growth by keeping your scalp clean and free from buildup. Pairing it with rosemary oil can make a powerful scalp tonic. Number 4, reducing product buildup. If you're a dry shampoo or styling product junkie, tea tree oil can help detox your scalp by breaking down product residue. A monthly scalp rinse with diluted tea tree oil can do wonders. Now, before you start adding tea tree oil to everything, let's talk about safety. Tea tree oil is potent, so you always want to dilute it properly, especially for your face and scalp. For your face, you want to mix 1 drop of tea tree oil with 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil like jojoba or fractionated coconut oil. For your scalp, 5 drops and 2 tablespoons of carrier oil is a safe bet. Patch testing. Can't stress this enough. Always do a patch test. Apply a small amount of diluted concentrated oil on your wrist and wait 24 hours to make sure you're not sensitive to it. All right, now for the fun part, DIY recipes. These are super simple and you probably already have most of the ingredients. Tea tree oil is so versatile and these recipes are perfect if you love a little DIY self-care session. Number 1, DIY acne spot treatment. You will need the following ingredients: 1 drop of tea tree oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil or aloe vera gel. Mix the oils well and use a cotton swab to apply directly on blemishes. Let it sit overnight and rinse off in the morning. Tea tree oil helps purify the skin while jojoba soothes and moisturizes. Number 2, DIY scalp soother. Ingredients: 5 drops of tea tree oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Warm the coconut oil slightly and mix in tea tree oil. Massage into your scalp and leave on for 20 minutes and rinse thoroughly. This will help with itchiness and flakiness, leaving your scalp refreshed. Number 3, DIY refreshing face mist. Ingredients are 3 drops of tea tree oil, 1 cup of distilled water, a few drops of witch hazel for oil control. Mix in a spray bottle and shake well. Spritz it on your face for a midday refresh, especially if you have oily skin. Keep it in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. Number 4, DIY tea tree oil hair growth spray. You'll need 5 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of rosemary essential oil for stimulating hair growth, 1 cup of distilled water, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel for hydration, 1 teaspoon of argan oil or jojoba oil for nourishment. Mix everything in a spray bottle and shake well. Spray directly onto your scalp and massage gently for a few minutes. No need to rinse, just let those nutrients soak in. This promotes a healthy scalp environment, helping with stronger and longer hair. Number 5, DIY clarifying scalp scrub. Ingredients are 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 5 drops of tea tree oil. Instructions: mix the ingredients and gently scrub your scalp for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and follow with shampoo. This scrub helps remove buildup and keeps your scalp feeling super clean. Number 6, DIY tea tree oil foot soak. Ingredients are 5 drops of tea tree oil, 1 cup of Epsom salts, warm water. Dissolve the salts and oil in warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Helps refresh tired feet and leaves them feeling clean and soothed. Number 7, DIY purifying body wash. Ingredients are 10 drops of tea tree oil, 1 cup of unscented Castile soap, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix all ingredients in a pump bottle and shake well. Use it in the shower for a refreshing and clean feel. This helps cleanse the skin and leaves you feeling fresh and clean. Always store your DIY creations in a dark glass bottle to keep them fresh longer, and make sure to shake well before each use to evenly distribute the oils. Use a patch test before trying out any new DIYs to ensure your skin doesn't react. So which ones are you most excited to try out first? Drop it in the comments below. And that's a wrap. Hopefully you're excited about tea tree oil as I am now. Whether you're looking to clear up your skin, soothe your scalp, or just try some fun DIYs, this essential oil has got you covered. If you're ready to get started, I've got a link to my doTERRA store where you can save up to 25% off doTERRA products. Check it out in the description below. And don't forget to download my free PDF where I share 10 simple essential oil recipes for everyday wellness. It's packed with easy, practical tips you'll love. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more essential oil tips and DIY recipes. Check out my next video where I share the best ways to get started using essential oils.